Hi friend, my name is Mahesh Namdev Deshmukh. Today's topic is OOPS concept in Java. Class and objects. Class is a collection, is a blueprint of creating objects. It is defines the property, attributes and behaviors, methods that objects of the class will have it service as a template object. An entity object is an instance of a class. It represent is a real world entity and is created from the class object have the have states attribute and behaviors method. Encapsulation is a binding of the data attribute and methods that operate on the data into a single unit class. It help in the data heading and protects the internal details of object access modifiers, private, public, protected, control the visibility of classes members. Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism that allow a class, subclass or a derived class to the inherit property and behaviors from the another class. Superclass or base class. It provides the code reusability and establish an is a relationship. The extend keyword is used to the inheritance in Java. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms and is achieved through the method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading defining multiple methods with the same name in a class but with a different parameter. Method overriding providing a specific implementation for a method in a subclass that already defined in its superclass. Abstraction. Abstraction involves the simplifying a complex system. It is modeling the classes based on the stimuli, properties and behaviors. It hidden the implementations details and focuses on what an object does. Abstract class and interface are used to the achieve abstraction and interface. An interface is a collection of the abstract method. It is defines a control that implementing classes must there to be allows of for multiple inheritance in Java. The interface keyword is used to the declare an abstract interface. Association, aggregation, and composition is a relationships part of relationship. Association is a represent a relationship between two or more two or more classes. It is can be one to one to many, or many to many. It is a generic terms that include all kinds of the relationship. Aggregation is a special form of the association where an object is composed of other objects, but it has a weaker relationship. It is often described as a has a relationship composition stronger from the aggregation, where the child objects are a part of the whole and the relationship is considered as a part of the relationship. Then access modifier. Access modifier, there are two type of access modifier: classes method and fields in Java. Public, accessible from the anywhere, protecting accessible within the same package, and subclasses default no modifier, accessible within the same package. Private, accessible only the within the same class. Final keyword. The final keyword is used to the restrict the user. It can be applied to the classes method and variable. Final keyword is used to the class cannot be inherited. Final method cannot be the method modifier. Static keyword. The static keyword is used to the create the methods and the variable that belong to the class rather than to an the specific instance of static method can be called without creating an instance of the class. Static variable are shared among all the instances of the class. These principles collectively contribute to the development of modular, scalable, and maintainable Java application. Inheritance: when one object acquires all the property of behaviors of the parent object is called as a inheritance. There are four type of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, हे झाला विकास. थँक्यू.